Hello students, let us continue the exercise problem 5th. For the function f of x is equal to x to the power of 100 divided by 100 plus x to the power of 99 divided by 99 plus etc. plus x square by 2 plus x plus 1. Prove that f dash of 1 is equal to 100 f dash of 0. First we can prove derivative. What he has given, f of x is equal to x to the power of 100 divided by 100 plus x to the power of 99 divided by 99 plus etc. x square by 2 plus x plus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Go for differentiation. What we get? F dash of x is equal to, see here is 1 by 100 is constant, keep as it is. Differentiation of x to the power of 100 is what? 100 into x to the power of 99. Is it now? Plus 1 over 99 is constant. Differentiation of x to the power of 99 is what? 99 into x to the power of 98 plus etc. Differentiation of x square 1 by 2 is constant. Differentiation of x square is 2x plus differentiation of x is 1 and differentiation of constant is 0. See here 100 get cancelled, 99 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. Therefore what we get? F dash of x is equal to x to the power of 99 plus x to the power of 98 plus etc. x plus 1. Okay? X plus 1. See what we are going to prove after finding f dash of x. We have to be checked. F dash of 1 must be is equal to 100 times f dash of 0. Okay? See, first put x is equal to 1. What we get? F dash of 1 must be is equal to what? 1 plus 1 plus 1 etc. 1 plus 1. See, from here we will start from here 1, 2, 3, 4 like that up to how many numbers are there? 99x is there. 99 plus 1 is how much? 100. This must be is equal to what? 100. When x is equal to 0, if you put x is equal to 0, what we get? F dash of 0 must be is equal to, if you put x is equal to 0, 0, 0, 0. Remainder is only 1. Okay. For this, multiply both the side by 100. Is it now? 100 f dash of s, f dash of 0 is equal to what? 100. See, 100 must be is equal to what? 100 must be is equal to what? F dash of 1. That is 100 f dash of 0 must be is equal to, this function can be written as f dash of 1. Hence, we prove. Okay, observe carefully. Whatever he has given, for the function he has given, what we are going to prove? We are going to prove that f dash of 1 is equal to 100 f dash of 0 is there. See, if he has given f dash means what we are going to do? We are going to do the derivation for the given function. After deriving the given function, again put x is equal to 1. What we get? It must be is equal to 100. Put x is equal to 0. What we get? 1. So multiplied both the side by 100. What we get? 100 f dash of 0 must be is equal to 100. So 100 f dash of 0. So what is 100 must be is equal to what? 100 must be is equal to f dash of 1. So we can write another f dash of 1 must be is equal to what? 100. So substitute the what is 100 must be is equal to f dash of 1, that is we get. Hence we prove f dash of 1 must be is equal to what? 100 times f dash of 0. Copy it. Next problem. Find the derivative of x to the power of n plus a into x to the power of n minus 1 plus a square into x to the power of n minus 2 plus etc. a to the power of n minus 1 x plus a power of n. Okay. Whatever is given, you have to take f of x is equal to. See, differentiate with respect to x. What is the differentiation of f of x? F of x differentiation is what? F dash of x must be is equal to. Differentiation of x to the power of n is what? N into x to the power of n minus 1 plus. Keep the constant as it is. Differentiation of x to the power of n minus 1 is what? N minus 1 into x to the power of n minus 2 plus. Keep the a square constant as it is. Differentiation of x to the power of n minus 2 is what? N minus 2 into x to the power of n minus 3 plus etc. Differentiation of this is a power of n minus 1 is constant. Constant into differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of any constant number is what? 0. Therefore, what we get? F dash of x is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1 plus a into n minus 1 x to the power of n minus 2 plus a square into n minus 2 into x to the power of n minus 3 etc. plus a power of n minus 1 is the required solution. See, he is asking just find the derivative of the functions. Whatever he has given, take down and go for differentiation. See, this is in the it is look like it is in the form of first rule, that is constant into function. So keep the constant as it is. Differentiation of this. Okay, here is also only constant is there. Differentiation of any constant term is what? 0. Are you understand? Okay, seventh problem. For some constant A and B. For some constant A and B. Find the derivative of first one x minus a x minus b. X minus a, see, this is in the form of product rule. Either you can go for product rule or better go for first simplification. That is, whatever he has given, take down y is equal to x minus a into x minus b. Go for simplification. X into x is what? X square. X into minus b is what? Minus bx. Minus a into x is minus ax. Minus into minus plus ab. Therefore, y must be is equal to what? X square. So, among them, okay, keep as it is. Minus bx minus ax plus ab. Now we can differentiate with respect to x. Okay. See, differentiate with respect to x means how to differentiate this one with respect to x? dy by dx is equal to differentiation of x square is what? 2x minus constant into function is there. Keep the constant as it is. differentiation of a x is what? 1. Minus, keep the constant as it is, differentiation of a x is what? 1. Plus, here there is no function, only constant is there. Therefore, C is for some constant A and B, means here A, B or constant is there. Differentiation of any constant term is what? 0. Therefore, what we get? Dy by dx is equal to minus 2x minus b minus a is the required solution. Okay. See, choices is yours. If you want to go by using product rule, you can go for product rule. Otherwise, first simplify this one and differentiation. This is easy method. Okay. Next problem. Next one. Second one. Ax square plus b whole square. Ax square plus b whole square. Okay. Whatever the given term should be taken as what? Y is equal to ax square plus b whole square. Is it no? Simplify a plus b whole square form. What we get? Y is equal to ax square whole square plus b square plus 2ab. A is what? Ax square into b. That is y is equal to a square x square whole square means x to the power of 4 plus b square plus 2ab x square. Now differentiate with respect to x. Go for differentiation. How to write this one? Dy by dx is equal to constant, keep as it is. Differentiation of x to the power of 4 is what? 4 into x cube plus differentiation of a constant is 0 plus 2ab is the constant. Differentiation of x square is what? 2x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 4a square x cube plus 2 2s are 4ab x. Or if it is any common element, take the out of 4ax is common is there. What will the remainder? Ax square plus 4ax remainder is b. Is the required solution. Are you understand? Next problem. Third one. X minus a divided by x minus b. X minus a divided by x minus b. Observe this one, third problem. Which rule we can apply? That is quotient rule. Quotient rule. Y is equal to x minus a divided by x minus b. Is it no? Differentiate with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to. How to apply the quotient rule? That is denominator square x minus b whole square. Denominator x minus b into d by dx of numerator x minus a minus sign x minus a into d by dx of x minus b. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to x minus b whole square, x minus b whole square, x minus b into differentiation of x is what? 1 minus differentiation of a is 0 minus x minus a into differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of b is 0. This must be is equal to x minus b into 1 minus 0 is 1 minus x minus a into 1 minus 0 is 1. Whole thing divided by x minus b whole square. Simplify x minus b plus minus into plus minus x minus into minus plus a whole thing divided by x minus b whole square. See, plus x minus x get cancelled. Therefore, this can be written as, write the positive first, a minus b divided by x minus b whole square. Okay. If you once understand the quotient rule, there is no necessity of writing this step. Directly you can go for differentiation. Next problem. Next one. Find the derivative of x to the power of n minus a power of n divided by x minus a for some constant a. For some constant a. Solution. See, he is asking find the derivative. So y must be is equal to x to the power of n minus a power of n divided by x minus a. Okay. In the previous problem, same as it is, you can go for differentiation. See, observe which rule this is? Fourth rule. Fourth rule means what? Quotient rule. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, na? dy by dx is equal to. Yes, how to differentiate? Whatever the denominator is there, take down denominator x minus a whole square into here x minus a into differentiation of numerator x to the power of n minus a power of n minus, is it no? Minus numerator x to the power of n a power of n into d by dx of denominator x minus a. dy by dx is equal to x minus a whole square, here x minus a into, see, differentiation of x to the power of n is what? N into x to the power of n minus 1 minus differentiation of a power of n is what? 0 minus x to the power of n minus a power of n into differentiation of x is what? 1 minus differentiation of constant is 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to x minus a n into x to the power of n minus 1 minus x to the power of n minus a power of n, x minus a all square. Simplify this one. See, n into x into x to the power of n minus 1 minus n a x to the power of n minus 1 minus x to the power of n plus a power of n whole thing divided by x minus a whole square. This must be is equal to, see, what is its power? Power is 1. What? 1. See, x to the power of 1 is there. Here x to the power of n minus 1. How to write this one? X to the power of plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. Remainder is what? X to the power of n. Minus n a x to the power of n minus 1 minus x to the power of n plus a power of n divided by x minus a whole square. Is it no? X minus a whole square. Enough. Okay. Are you all understanding? Next. Next. Find the derivative of. Find the derivative of. First one. 2x minus 3 by 4. Find the derivative of 2x minus 3 by 4. See, he is asking find the derivative. So, go for direct differentiation. Whatever he has given, take down. Y equals 2x minus 3 by 4. Differentiate with respect to what? X. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to, keep the constant as it is, differentiation of x is 1 minus differentiation of a constant is what? 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to what? 2. Okay. Next problem. Next, second one. 5x cube plus 3x minus 1 into x minus 1. First go for simplification. Y is equal to, take down first this one, x minus 1 into 5x cube plus 3x square, 3x minus 1. So directly go for, either you can go for product rule or you can go for simplification then differentiation. Better if the product rule is there, first go for simplification. Okay. Y must be is equal to 5 into x. 5x cube into x is what? X to the power of 4 plus 3 into x is what? X square minus x minus 5x cube minus 3x plus 1. This must be is equal to 5x to the power of 4 minus 5x cube plus 3x square minus minus is there, minus 4x plus 1. Minus 4x plus 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Go for differentiation. Dy by dx is equal to, see, 5 is the constant. Differentiation of x to the power of 4 is what? 4 into x to the power of cube minus 5 into, what is the differentiation of x cube? 3 into x square plus 3 into differentiation of x square is what? 2x minus differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of a constant is 0. This must be equal to what? 20x cube minus 15x square plus 6x minus 4 is the required solution. Is the required solution. Next one. Next one. Third one. X to the power of minus 3 into 5 plus 3x. Y is equal to x to the power of minus 3 into 5 plus whatever is given, just write down y is equal to. Okay. After that, see here what is there? X to the power of minus 3 is there. X to the power of minus 3 into 5 is what? 5 into x to the power of minus 3 plus 3 into, here x to the power of minus 3 is there, here x to the power of 1 is there. This can be written as x to the power of minus 2, that is x to the power of minus 3 into x to the power of 1, that is x to the power of minus 3 plus 1 must be is equal to x to the power of minus 2. Is it no? Y is equal to, differentiate with respect to x. What we get? dy by dx is equal to, dy by dx is equal to 5 into, what is the differentiation of x to the power of minus 3? See, we have the formula x to the power of n, differentiation of x to the power of n must be is equal to what? N into x to the power of n minus 1. See, here positive sign is there, here negative sign is there. That is differentiation of x to the power of minus 3 means as usual minus 3 x to the power of n is what? Minus 3 minus 1. This can be written as what? Minus 3 x to the power of minus 4. Okay. What is the differentiation of x to the power of minus 3? Differentiation of x to the power of minus 3 is what? Minus 3 x to the power of minus 4. Minus 3 x to the power of minus 4 plus, similarly you can tell me what is the differentiation of x to the power of minus 2, that is minus 2 x to the power of minus 3. This must be is equal to 5 3 is 15 plus into minus minus x to the power of minus 4. Next plus into minus into plus minus 3 2 is 6 x to the power of minus 3 is the required solution. See, if you know this formula, easily you can write for both positive sign and the negative sign. Okay. Differentiation of x to the power of n is what? N into x to the power of n minus 1. Similarly, differentiation of x to the power of minus 3 is what? N into x to the power of n minus 1. So here negative sign is there, minus 3x plus, both are negative is there, therefore minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Okay. Are you understand this one? Next problem. Y is equal to x to the power of 5 into 3 minus 6x to the power of minus 9. 6x to the power of minus 9. Okay. Y is equal to x to the power of 5 into 3 is what? 3 into x to the power of 5 plus into minus minus 6. What is there here? X to the power of 5, x to the power of minus 9 is there. X to the power of 5, x to the power of minus 9. This must be equal to what? X to the power of 5 minus 9. This must be x to the power of minus 4. X to the power of 5 into x to the power of minus 9 is what? X to the power of minus 4. Now we can go for differentiate with respect to x. What we get? dy by dx is equal to, keep the constant as it is. Here positive sign is a differentiation of x to the power of 5 is what? 5 into x to the power of 4 minus, keep the constant as it is. Differentiation of x to the power of minus 4 is what? Minus 4 into x to the power of minus 5. Okay, this must be is equal to 15x to the power of 4 minus into minus plus 6 4s are 24 x to the power of minus 5. See, while differentiating, keep the constant term as it is, and differentiation, after differentiation you can put the bracket, there is no confusion. ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ 35 ಥರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಆದರೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ, ನೀವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, understand? Next problem. Y is equal to x to the power of minus 4, 3 minus 4 into x to the power of minus 5. Okay, next problem, it is sixth one. Y is equal to 2 by x plus 1 minus x square divided by 3x minus 1. See, ಇದು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ ಸಿ ಎಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬೆಟರ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟಾಗಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್, dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to differentiation of dy dx of 2 by x plus 1 minus d by dx of x square divided by 3x minus 1. Okay, this is in the form of quotient rule. Therefore, differentiation of this is what? Denominator square into x plus 1. Differentiation of a constant is what? 0 minus, okay, constant into differentiation of a denominator. Differentiation of x is what? 1 minus 3x minus 1 whole square. 3x minus 1 into differentiation of a numerator is what? 2x minus, keep the numerator as it is, and differentiation of a denominator is what? 3. That is 0 is multiplied by anything is 0. Therefore, minus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square minus, multiple madi, that is 6x square minus 2x minus 3x square whole thing divided by 3x minus 1 whole square. This must be is equal to minus 2 divided by x plus 1 whole square minus 6x square minus 3x square is what? 3x square minus 2x divided by 3x minus 1 whole square is the required solution. Do you understand? Next, last one. Find the derivative of the following function. 11th main. Find the derivative of the following function. First one, sin x cos x. So this is third rule. We can apply the product rule. Y must be is equal to sin x cos x. Differentiate with respect to x. Go for differentiation. Dy by dx is equal to First function, consider this one. This one is second function. First function into d by dx of second function is what? Cos x plus second function into d by dx of first function. Is it? No. See, if you know, once you know the product rule, there is no necessity of writing like this. Direct differentiation. Sin x into differentiation of a cos x is what? Minus sin x plus cos x into differentiation of a sin x is cos x. This must be is equal to what? Minus sin square x plus cos square x, or you can write it as cos square x minus sin square x. This can also be written as what? Cos 2x. In trigonometry we know cos square x minus sin square x is what? Cos 2x. Okay. Are you understand? Next one. Second one. 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 7. 5 sin x minus 6 cos x plus 7. Okay. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiation of this is what? D by dx of 5 into differentiation of a sin x is what? Cos x minus 6 into differentiation of a cos x is minus sin x plus differentiation of a constant is 0. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 5 cos x minus into minus plus 6 sin x. Okay. Next one. 5 secant x. Next one. 5 secant x plus 4 cos x. So, or any kodli you have to be take y is equal to 5 secant x plus 4 cos x. Differentiate with respect to x. Go for differentiation. Dy by dx is equal to 5 into, we know that dy by dx of secant x is secant x into tan x. You have to be remember this formula. Okay. 5 into secant x is what? Secant x into tan x plus 4 into differentiation of a cos x is what? Minus sin x. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 5 secant x tan x minus 4 sin x is the required solution. Okay. Next one. Fourth one. Secant x. That is y is equal to secant x. Differentiate with respect to x. Go for differentiation. What we get? D by dx of differentiation of a secant x is what? Secant x into tan x. See, differentiation of a secant x is what? Secant x into tan x. Similarly, fifth one. cosecant x. Y is equal to cosecant x. Differentiate with respect to x. dy dx is equal to, differentiation of a cosecant is what? Cosecant x into cot x. Cosecant x into cot x. Similarly, sixth one, 2 tan x minus 7 secant x. As usual, y is equal to 2 into tan x minus 7 into secant x. Differentiate with respect to x. Go for differentiation. What we get? dy by dx is equal to 2 into, differentiation of a tan x is what? Secant square x minus 7 into, differentiation of a secant x is what? Secant x into tan x. Okay. Dear students, this will complete the derivatives. Okay. In this derivative, you have to be must and should remember these formulas. If y is equal to x to the power of n, d by dx of x to the power of n must be equal to what? N into x to the power of n minus 1. If y is equal to constant, then d by dx of constant is what? 0. If y is equal to sin x, differentiation of d by dx of sin x ಆದರೂ ಬರೀರಿ y ಅಂತ differentiation of a sin x is what? Cos x. If y is equal to cos x, d by dx of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Y is equal to tan x, d by dx of tan x is what? Secant square x. These are very important formulas. Y is equal to, next one is secant x, d by dx of secant x is what? Secant x into tan x. If y is equal to cosecant x, d by dx of cosecant x is what? Minus cosecant x into cot x. Similarly, y is equal to cot x, d by dx is equal to, d by dx of cot x is minus cosecant square x. These are very important formulas. You have to be remember and recall every day. Okay. How to remember this one? See, sin, differentiation of a sin is cos. Differentiation of a cos is minus sin. Differentiation of a tan is secant square. Differentiation of a secant is secant into tan. Differentiation of a cosecant is minus cosecant into cot. Differentiation of a cot is minus cosecant square. Observe this. These term, see, cos, cosecant, cot. ಈ ಮೂರನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ಸಿ, ಕಾಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್, cosecant is minus cosecant into cot, cot is minus cosecant square. See, the trigonometric functions start with c. c ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಸ್ ದ derivative.